This video will provide an overview of the functions of my clients, my policies, my prospects, and my quotes. The Agent Portal dashboard provides information to the user that allows agents to view the number of clients, policies, prospects, and quotes. There are 4 sections included in the dashboard: my clients, my policies, my prospects, and my quotes. The first section we're going to review is my clients. Click on View More in the bottom right corner of My Clients to view this section's details. The My Clients section is located in the Book of Business tab. This section provides information on the agent's clients, current and past. Client searches can also be done by market segment or name. Let's return to the main overview screen. The second section we're going to review is My Policies. Click on View More on the bottom right of My Policies. The My Policy section provides information on the agent's policy. Agents can search for policy by market type, plan year, or RFI due, or by issuer, Medicaid Managed Care Organization, and plan type. It also displays the policies that are active, terminated, and pending. A case that is pending verification will require verification to be returned prior to the initial premium payment being made and the enrollment being effectuated. Click on Overview at the top left to navigate back to the Overview screen. The third section we're going to review is My Prospects. Click on View More on the bottom right of My Prospects. The My Prospects section is located in the Book of Business tab. This section provides information on the clients that have initiated an application and assigned users as an agent on their account, as well as the clients that they have added. It can also display the number of current prospects, abandoned prospects, and prospects added in the last month. Click on Overview at the top left to navigate back. The next section we're going to review is My Quotes. Click on View More on the bottom right of My Quotes. The My Quotes section is located in the My Quotes tab. In this section, quotes can be viewed based on market segment type and client and prospect type. The quote status may also be viewed, which includes in progress, submitted, accepted, or rejected. We will explore the My Quotes section in more detail later on in this course. Click on the Overview tab to return back to the Overview dashboard. Next, we're going to go over some additional features in the dashboard. Click on the Request Case Access link on the left-hand side of your screen under Quick Links. The Request Case Access section is located in the Book of Business tab. The Request Case Access link helps agents to associate an existing case by requesting consent via electronic or verbal means. Agents can search for a case by name, gender, date of birth, social security number, case number, or application number. Click on the Overview tab in the top left corner to return back to the Overview dashboard. Next, we will go to the Book of Business and review a client file. In the Book of Business tab, we will select the client Justin Kund. In this section, agents can view more information about a client. At the top of the screen are the client's contact information, case number, and preferred language and communication method. In the middle are links to the Connect Benefits dashboard, a page to disassociate from the client, the pre-screening tool, Add Note, Start a New Quote, Manage Documents, and a link to mark if the case is a Connect on-demand association. Click on the Household tab. This tab displays household and advanced premium tax credit details. Next, click on Enrollments. This section displays covered members and their payment information with start and stop dates. Next, click on the RFI tab. The Request for Information tab displays if any additional documents are needed. Click on the Manage Document link to view the Manage Documents pop-up box. This pop-up allows you to upload documents to the file. This video will provide an overview of the functions of My Quotes, Book of Business, selecting and comparing plans, and the Agent Quoting tool. Now, we will revisit the My Quotes section. We will compare, add, and notify clients on information pertaining to medical and dental plans. On the bottom right of the page, click on View More under My Quotes. My Quotes shows all the quotes associated with an agent. Creating a new quote starts in the Book of Business, which contains all residents associated with an agent. Click on Book of Business. Let's create a quote for Mr. Kund. Click Start New Quote. Let's create a quote. In the Quote Name section, type Quote 1. Next, for the annual household income box, we're going to type in $30,000. For the coverage effective date, select October 1st, 2024. Make a selection under the Default Tobacco Use section. For this example, select No. Now, let's generate the plan. At the bottom of the page, click Generate Plans. This brings us to a list of plans available to Mr. Kund. On the left of the screen, we will filter the plans by metal level coverage. Select Gold. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Apply to filter plans by gold metal level. To compare the plans, check the Compare box for the two desired plans. We will compare the top two plans. Then click Compare Selected Plans at the top or bottom of the screen. After clicking on the Compare Selected Plans, information for each plan is displayed highlighting what each plan provides, the cost for the total monthly premium, and what out-of-pocket expenses are included. For this example, we are selecting Plan 1. Scroll to the top and check the box Add a Quote for Plan 1. Click back to Plan List to return to the list of plans. A medical plan has been added to the quote. Scroll down and click Next. We will add a dental plan. This brings us to the page to shop for and select dental plans for Mr. Kund. Following the same steps for selecting medical plans, check the Compare box for the first two plans. Click the Compare Selected Plans tab. Information for each plan is displayed highlighting what each plan provides, the cost for the total monthly premium, and what out-of-pocket expenses are included. We're going to select Plan 2. Click Add to Quote. Click on the Back to Plan List tab. Both a medical and dental plan have been added to the quote. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Next tab. We are now ready to send this quote to the client. Click on the email icon in the upper right-hand corner. No more changes can be made. Click OK. Once you verify the email address, you can choose to add an additional email address to receive a copy of the email. Click on the Send Email button to send the quote to the client. This video will provide an overview of the functions of My Delegates, Messages, Settings, Quick Links, and Agent Portal Help. In this part of the video, we will be working in the top banner section. Click on My Delegates. My Delegates allows agents to sign up to 6 other licensed and certified agents as delegates on their account. You can renew a delegate by clicking the renewal icon. Remove a delegate, or download a log of a delegate's activity. You can also see your primary agents and see any delegate requests you have received. To request a new delegate, click on Request New Delegate. A list of delegates appears, or you can search for a specific agent by first name, last name, email ID, or phone number. You can see which agents you have sent a request to. Click Request for Delegation on an agent entry to make a request. Click OK on the confirmation pop-up. A pop-up shows success. Click OK. Click Messages. Here an agent can view and filter messages from Connect, including if a client has accepted or rejected access to their case. Messages can be filtered by market segment. Messages can also be filtered by time period. A light green font and a white envelope indicate a read message. A blue envelope is an unread message. Click on a message to open it. The message displays. Click back to Inbox to return to the Message tab. Next, let's look at the Settings screen. In the Settings screen, you can view your Department of Insurance information and additional information concerning your spoken languages, methods of contact, communication preferences, and availability. It is recommended that changes to your personal and organization information are made through the Kentucky Online Gateway portal. On the left-hand side of the screen, there are quick links to initiate an application for an individual. This takes you to the link to the benefits application page. Initiate an application for an employer. A link to allow small businesses and nonprofit organizations to check eligibility to enroll in SHUB coverage. Request case access. This screen allows insurance agents to associate to an existing case by request via electronic or verbal consent. Case restoration summary allows agents to view a summary of submitted restoration requests. Pre-screening individual. Link to the pre-screening tool to check for eligibility for tax credits to help pay your premium and qualified health plans. Kentucky DOI. Link to Kentucky Department of Insurance website. Training materials. Link to training materials for connectors and agents from the Kentucky Health Benefit Exchange. Shop Tax Credit Estimator. Link to the Taxpayer Advocate Service within the IRS. At the bottom left, there are links to individual insurance issuers' websites. Now, let's take a look at the Help Center. Click on Help. Help contains links to descriptions of individual screens in the agent portal. Click on a link for a description of a screen and instructions for completing tasks associated with that screen. That completes the Agent Portal dashboard walkthrough.